This is my Schwinn LaTour that gave me fits the last time I worked on it. The bike was filthy, covered in cobwebs, and who knows what else. The rear wheel fought me during disassembly, and the last straw was a broken down tube index shifter that just had enough play in it to wreak havoc with the shifting. It made me want to toss this bike in the trash bin. Well, I'm back at it again, and this time it won't defeat me. Sit back, relax, grab your favorite beverage, and watch me finally fix this stubborn bike. Here I am installing the new brake cables first to help align the cable housings. In the past, I've had fits trying to feed the brake cables after placing the cable housings. With the cable housings in place, I removed the bars and stem so that I could wrap the bars and install the new friction shifters. I would soon regret this decision. Here's where things started to go off the rails again. No matter what I tried, the rear brake lever felt squishy and would not provide any firm braking power. In the end, I removed the bar tape, redid the cable housings without any success. These old brake levers were just not going to work and were eating the cable housings. So, I decided to use some different brake levers from my parts bin. Just like that, we've come to the end of the build. The bike fought me tooth and nail, but in the end I was victorious. If you made it this far, you're a true champion. If you enjoyed this video, show that thumbs up button some love, and subscribe for more bicycle restoration content.